Complete shutdown was observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today on the visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a mark of protest against New Delhi's illegal occupation of the territory. Call for the strike had been given by the All Parties Hurriyat conference to convey a strong message to the Indian Premier as well as the global community that Kashmiris would never compromise on their inalienable right to self-determination. On the APHC appeal, protests and rallies were held in Pakistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir and in world major capitals by the Kashmiri diaspora. APHC-AJK chapter led by its convener Muhammad Farooq Rahmani held a protest demonstration outside Indian High Commission in Islamabad. The AJK Prime Minister Sardar Tanveer Ilyas was chief guest on the occasion. A sit-in was staged at Burhan Wani Chowk in Muzaffarabad, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, wherein participants holding black flags chanted "Go Modi, Go Back" slogans. The anti-Modi protest was held by Kashmiri leader Uzair Ahmed Ghazali. Strict, stringent measures were taken while Indian troops and police personnel were deployed in strength in occupied territory on Modi's visit. Despite random checking of vehicles and frisking of passengers on the checkpoints mushroomed in all major cities and towns including Srinagar, Jammu highway, an explosion was heard a few kilometers away from the rally venue of Indian Prime Minister in Laliana area of Jammu district. Meanwhile, in order to launch the freedom struggle in a more robust and unified way, political leaders and workers associated with various factions of Hurriyat have reached a consensus to work under the banner of single platform of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. The APC spokesman, while giving details in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India's ruthless actions taken particularly in the wake of August 2019 act of unilaterally annexing Jammu and Kashmir, illegal arrests of thousands of political leaders and activists under draconian laws, planned murders and arson, and Modi's wicked agenda of diluting the Muslim character of the territory brought all the groups closer to launch the freedom movement from APHC's single platform. APHC Chairman Masarat Alam Butt, Vice Chairman Shabir Ahmad Shah, and Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, while hailing unity, urged the newly joined groups to strengthen their setups in respective areas to spearhead the freedom movement on war footing. Senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Agha Saeed Hassan Al-Moswi Al-Safi has strongly reacted to the harassment of Kashmiri youth, particularly in Hassanabad and Mir Bahri areas of Srinagar by the Indian police.